It started as a meme. A grainy photo of Whistlin' Diesel allegedly in handcuffs, blurry like someone took it mid-TikTok. Caption: Whistlin' Diesel arrested for tax fraud. Internet chaos. 20 million shares. 50 million guesses. 1,000 theories. Some said it wasn't real. Some swore it was. Others thought it was just another troll job. But then, people started asking questions. And that's when real life leaned in. In the online world, Whistlin' Diesel was a wild card. A bold creator who took old trucks, beat them up, and turned them into viral spectacles. From launching trucks off ramps to tearing down city streets, he built a reputation for chaos, humor, and unpredictable energy. Taxes. Nobody ever saw him filing receipts. Nothing but receipts for fuel and shock absorbers, joked one fan. But rumors spread faster than a turbocharged V8 at full throttle. An anonymous post claimed that a massive tax audit was underway. Something about unreported earnings from online merch, offshore accounts, and a mysterious Cayman Islands LLC with the name, Diesel Dynasty LLC. Fans didn't know what to believe. The rumor mill spun faster than a racecar's wheels. Was he actually under investigation? Were authorities really after him? Or was this just a Photoshop job gone viral? One thing was certain, the internet was thirsty for an answer. Somewhere outside a dusty Arizona town, Whistlin' Diesel sat on a tailgate, chewing sunflower seeds, boots stretched out, dirt on his jeans, eyes hidden behind aviator shades. He wasn't mad, just amused. His phone buzzed every second, notifications exploding like fireworks. Yo, are you in jail? Tax fraud. Say it ain't so. I saw a pic of you with handcuffs. Fam. Lol, nice try Photoshop engineers. He laughed. He loved chaos, but false chaos was confusing even for him. He popped open a cold drink and recorded a quick video. Hey, internet. Apparently I'm in tax trouble. With handcuffs. Somewhere. Maybe Cancun. Not sure. Here's the deal, I'm not under arrest. I pay my taxes, mostly. Probably. I've got a guy for that. Anyway, back to messing up trucks. Peace. The video instantly went viral. Fans cheered. Critics raised eyebrows. Accountants everywhere sighed. But the rumor didn't die. And by sunrise, it had become a full-blown conspiracy thread. A week later, Whistlin' Diesel pulled up to his workshop in a matte black beast of a truck. The local news van was already there, lights flickering, cameras pointed like rifles. Reporters stood clustered like bees around honey. Mr. Diesel, are you evading taxes? Is there an investigation? Did someone file charges? Whistlin' strolled out, scratching his beard. Hey guys, this is a truck shop, not a IRS interrogation room, he joked. One reporter, voice sharp as a needle. Whistlin', we've seen documents. Pending tax fraud charges. What do you have to say? Whistlin' just smirked. I say if I get arrested for loving trucks too much, I'll have y'all over for a burnout party in county jail. Laughter. Cameras clicked. But behind the humor, something was changing. The rumor was now on the news. Enter Sandra Weiss, CPA. Not viral, not loud, just extremely good at taxes. Sandra was the type who looked at a Form 1040 like a Sudoku puzzle, thrilling, precise, and worth staying up late for. Whistlin' was her client. And yes, he did drop a lot of big-sounding numbers on her desk. Whistlin' wanted spreadsheets like engines, loud, efficient, and a little overkill. But Sandra had done her audits. Crunch by crunch, number by number. And she called Whistlin' in. In her office, surrounded by books taller than him, she placed a thick folder on the desk. Here's what we've got. No tax fraud. Not a single charge. Zilch. Internet rumor, she said, clicking her pen. He leaned back, relieved but confused. So, someone just made this up. Looks like someone confused high revenue with high crime, she replied. Whistlin' laughed. And here I thought my turbocharger was illegal. Just when everyone thought the rumors would die, something wild happened. A leaked email hit the internet. We have to control the narrative. Rumors drive engagement. Let's pivot, was Whistlin' Diesel framed. Tax evasion or cover-up? The email was traced back to Whistlin's own marketing intern. Yep, an intern who thought fake drama would spike views. It worked. Except now everyone believed it. Fans took sides. Team, free Whistlin'. Team, he's hiding something. Team, This is performance art. Comment sections exploded like dynamite. Whistlin just placed his head in his hands. To silence the noise, Whistlin announced a press conference, a live Q&A to clear the air. At a packed hall, cameras pointed like soldiers. Reporters looked hungry. Whistlin walked up, holding a coffee cup that said, "Turbocharged Truth" inside. He smiled, took the mic. "Look, I make dumb videos with big trucks. I don't swim in tax fraud. I don't know offshore accounts. My biggest offshore experience is that time I dumped a truck in the ocean for content." The crowd laughed. But here's the real message: truth matters. And rumors can tear anything down faster than a blown piston. He went on, "I pay my taxes. My accountant can prove it. And if you want chaos, I promise, I'll make it with engines, not lies." Then he dropped something unexpected. A charity announcement. Whistlin pledged a portion of his earnings to a financial literacy program for rural creators, the people most at risk of falling into scams or bad tax advice. Reporters blinked. Viewers paused. The internet actually got quiet for a second. Rumors faded like exhausted engine smoke in the desert. People went back to watching engine teardown videos and truck jumps. Whistlin uploaded a new video. "I'm not arrested, but here's what I learned." In it, he spoke earnestly. Rumors can become their own reality. They can hurt people, even when they're funny. I thought it was a joke too. But it wasn't harmless. So if you care about something, care about the truth more. Fans loved it. Critics paused. Journalists rethought. And somewhere between laughs and engines, something important had happened, a lesson about misinformation.